Hi everyone, now we're going to talk to you this evening about driving in conditions where there is a lot of glare. You can get glare from the sunshine during the daytime, or you can have glare at night time with the lights of oncoming cars. The latter is what we're going to concentrate on now at the moment, although we will be showing you a product which will cater for driving during the daytime in the glare of the sun, and also driving at night time with the glare of oncoming lights. Now, driving with glare in your eyes is kind of very dangerous. I know myself, when I drive around and there's a lot of glare, I'd have to drive a lot more carefully, drive with more defensively, and I'd be expecting to see possibly other cars or other drivers maybe misread traffic lights, for example. I've seen it happen at times when there's been glare on the road from the sun during the daytime. So I'd be a bit more careful driving around. I kind of understand the possibility of these things happening. Now, the first product we want to show you is this product here. It's a yellow night vision polarized clip-on or clip-on full-up metal clip sunglasses, and they just clip on to your normal pair of glasses, and they'll be used at night time to reduce the glare of oncoming cars. The glare from the lights of oncoming cars. Second product is a pair of glasses with a yellow tinge in them. Again, they'd be used at night time mainly, and if you don't like the clip-on glasses, you could just wear a pair of them. Thirdly, if you already have a pair of glasses for reading or driving, whatever it is, and you don't like the idea of having clip-on lenses with the yellow tinge, and because you have lenses that are you already have, you can get these glasses here, which actually fit on over your own regular glasses already, and people use them at night time as well. Do I have a picture of that now? I don't. No, I have no picture of them on somebody's regular glasses. But that's it. They just go on over your normal glasses, and they help to deal with the glare of the oncoming lights at night time. So there's 3 products now that help with the glare at night time of the lights from an oncoming car. Now the 4th product we're going to show here, it works in both daytime, as you can see here. This is the glare from the sunshine in the daytime, and with this product here, you can have it attaches to the sun visor, and it rotates, so during the daytime with this glare, and you can see the visor we have down now helps you to see clearly with the sun glaring in your eyes during the daytime. And if you rotate the product for nighttime driving, as you can see, there's the glare of the oncoming cars at nighttime, of the lights from an oncoming car. And if you rotate the product and bring down the night driving mode visor, the glare from the oncoming car is a lot less. Now, that's a very useful product. It just attaches to your normal sun visor, and you can rotate it for day and nighttime driving, whether you're actually have glare in at you in from the front windscreen via the sun during the day, or via the lights of an oncoming car at night time. So folks, there's 4 products now that might help you. Hopefully they'll be of some value to you. I will have the links from each of those 4 products in the description below this video if you'd like to look at the products again. If you have an issue with the glare, it's well worth looking at these products and seeing would they help you. So if you like the video, folks, please do click the like button below this video, and please do subscribe to our channel too. We run videos on driving, and if you click the bell icon having subscribed to our channel, then you get notifications of future videos. So thanks folks for watching this video. As I said, hopefully it'll be of some value to you, and until next time, we'll talk again later. Thanks, bye.